Good morning, everybody. Uh, this is a small presentation on how to share PDF and videos via our mobile app, app of the school. We can share unlimited PDF, unlimited videos on our app on daily basis. There is no restriction on size or the number. But yes, we will have to follow certain practices uh, to get it done. The first thing that we need to do to start sharing PDF is to come on Google Drive. We will come on Google Drive. We will simply create a new folder. We will press this plus button. The interface will be the same for most of the mobiles. So we have come to the Google Drive. Now we are pressing this plus button so that we get an option of creating a new folder. So we have created a new folder now. Suppose we want to name the folder, like I want to name it Siddhanta, and I have created the folder. Now this folder is created, but this is a private folder, so I will have to first make it public so that anyone with the link can see it. So we will press this three dots, we'll come to share, and it is asking who has access. So only people can, I will change it. It is written only people added can open with this link. No, I want to change it and I want to make everybody a viewer. So it is now updated, so anybody with the link will be able to uh, access the content inside this folder. So now the folder is ready, Siddhanta, in the name of Siddhanta. Now we will come to the document, or we will come to the PDF that we want to share on our mobile app. So suppose I come on my folder where I have kept my PDF. Suppose this school fee posted PDF, or suppose this safe to learn English PDF. I want to share it with our students. So I'll click this arrow button, in the extreme right, and it says backup to Google Drive. 1 2 3 4 5 6, on seventh number it asks for backing up to Google Drive, backup to Google Drive. We'll press that button, we'll press OK, and it is asking for the folder. So I have already this is already taking Siddhanta. If you want to change the folder, we can choose any other folder, but now because we have to do in this folder only, so we will choose Siddhanta and we will select it here and save. So it is saving. In some mobiles, you see it is paused here because I have made a setting so that only Wi-Fi can upload. So I will press it again, and in the start it will start uploading, waiting to upload. So it will take a minute or two to upload. So it is now uploaded. Now I will again press on these three dots, copy link, will come to our mobile app. Where is it? On our mobile app. Suppose we want to share this link in message. So I will go to the send message tab, all class enter message. You will simply press this paste and submit. So this will go on to the message tab. Or if you want to send it as a homework, so we will go to upload homework. Suppose we want to upload it for class 1 subject English. We can write, suppose we write homework for Hindi, and then we will paste the link of PDF and upload. So it is now uploaded. It will come to, it is here, so it can be opened right from here. The PDF is uploaded without putting any pressure on the app or without affecting the app's performance at all. And we can also come to student panel and homework, and view more, class 1 section A view. So here is this link, homework for Hindi. We will click it and it will open. So unlimited number of PDFs can be shared, and likewise unlimited number of videos can be shared. Even for videos, what we can do is, suppose I have some video, suppose I want to share this video on my app. So I'll press share. It will ask me, I can choose YouTube, I can choose Google Drive or anything. Suppose I choose YouTube, or you can also choose Google Drive. I choose YouTube. So it will start uploading the video on YouTube. I will press this upload button on the top right. On the right top, there is one upload button. So we will press that button and it will start uploading. So once it uploads, we can copy the link. Once it uploads, I am showing you an uploaded video. Once it uploads, suppose it will show like this, and suppose I want to share this video. So I will simply press this. It is asking to share. I will simply share, copy link. I will come to my app. It should be here, and I can paste it in homework section, or suppose I want to paste it in homework section. Homework again, class standard 1 section A, subject would be suppose English. Okay, oh, this is another upload homework, sorry. Class standard 1 section A, subject English. Press here, paste and upload. And now we can come to a student panel and homework. Homework will show here also. Yeah, it is showing here for Raj Singh. And now if we press this, the video will open in our app also. So it's very easy to share videos and to share PDF via our app, any number of videos, any number of apps, without at all affecting the performance of the mobile application. So I hope this helps. Thank you.